Hello guys, good afternoon. Ito na naman si Kuya Tonyo, the working home daddy from Tacloban. So, this video is actually intended para sa mga tatay, sa mga daddy, mga papa na nagtatrabaho sa bahay or also doing a work from home job. So, hindi talaga madali yung magtrabaho ka, and then of course you're also doing your responsibility to your kids. So just like this video, nagpapaligo ako ng bata, so I'll make sure na napapaliguan siya, although may days naman talaga na hindi dapat siya paliguan kasi especially pag may sipon. Now it's already March already, March to be exact, March 2, and I'm just so happy to share this you guys na yung mga papa na nagtatrabaho sa bahay, this is a message for you na you are blessed, you are a blessing to your wife, you're a blessing to your kids na you're doing or you're juggling your responsibility as a parent, and of course your responsibility sa wife mo. So yan, so just be happy and thankful. Thank you.